So we're going to eat outside because it's very hot here. No. It's already how many days they complain for the management. They are not recommend to sit and eat dine-in. But you're going to eat dine-in? Huh? Order in the car. Parang ano? Huh? Initan ka? Bakit? Ngayon kayo? Ha? Gala!
Dami nyo naman kasi order. Pwede naman isa.
One is not enough, di ba? Pagpasok-pasok mo parang nabasa mo yung one is